Hey guys, I'm Jitendra here. So today I am at MIT University right now. So I'm with my very good friend Siddhant Satija. He's a very renowned entrepreneur right now. So hi Siddhant.
Hi Jitendra, hi
so,
guys.
So we are at MIT right now. So you can see the background is very lovely. So you can see it. So Siddhant, just introduce yourself. That how did you got into this entrepreneurship and
Yeah, my name is Siddhant. I'm a graduate from Amity University itself. I graduated many years back from here, and since my college days, I've been into website designing, mobile app development, software apps, a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And I've been trying to, since I'm a computer science graduate, so I've been trying to learn the technology, what's happening, how the mobile world is evolving.
Right?
And once I was working for one of my clients, developing a script for him related to the affiliate marketing platform. So
Right.
that's the time I was prone to affiliate marketing, online marketing, digital advertising.
Great.
And we started up with something known as a Twitter-based ad network, where people would be paid for tweeting online.
Tweeting online. Okay.
Yeah, so that was my very first venture. We failed very fast. We learned a lot of things very fast. Probably that takes years, but since we were based out of the Amity campus that already has global connects,
Right.
we were
MIT campus.
being supported by the incubator over here that is also having a $25 million fund and is
Yeah.
always supporting startups, students, entrepreneurs. So we were able to realize that where we are wrong, first of all, what is working in the market, how the market is shaping up, what is going in India, what's going in Singapore, what's going in the US, and then we were able to start what the market required. So we started up with AdUncle. That's
Your brand,
Yeah.
aduncle.com.
yeah. So AdUncle is an Indian affiliate network that went international in 2013.
Great.
And apart from that, Ritson Media Ventures in India and Ritson LLC in US is our a parent company that is an affiliate management company for digital marketers as well as brands. So we work very privately with a few set of clients based out of US and Middle East, and we help them in launching their affiliate program and then starting up. So I would like to describe here that where do we what's a win-win situation for us as well as our clients and the brands. So whenever a brand is looking forward to start up into the affiliate or the performance space, they would need a dedicated person that would cost So the minimum salary for which that guy would come is a minimum of $50,000 a year, whereas we would offer something that would cost them not more than $20,000 a year.
Yes, great.
And even if we have just 5 clients, probably 20,000 into 5 is $100,000 of a business for a year is done at that place itself.
Yeah. So my second question is, at what age you started your entrepreneurship journey? Who inspires you?
Going back, I remember the first buck I ever earned in my life was, probably I should not be speaking that, but that was writing CDs for Windows XP back then in class 10.
So he was selling the CDs, Windows CDs.
Yeah.
To his friends, school friends, right?
School friends, neighbors, batchmates,
Great.
anyone, and probably that time I knew where I am weak and I lacked communication skills. So the day I landed up in NCR over here at Noida, the very first day I had my interview with an events management company, and I actually was selling Colgates in malls and shopping places. So and then I went into public speaking, then I explored a lot of stuff in sales, and finally, so digital was going side by side, and then I finally explored the opportunities into the advertising space.
So does your family supported that when you decided to be an entrepreneur at such a young age, because you are very inspiring for the newbies or the budding entrepreneurs who want to start their entrepreneurship journey?
So when I started up, I was placed in Wipro from my college. I took advice from a lot of people that, you know,
Great.
should I be joining Wipro or
Great.
should I be
Great.
continuing with my venture, and everyone insisted that work for a year or two and
Get some experience about professional world.
how
Yeah.
organizations do.
Great, great.
And you know, but as they say, the bug of entrepreneurship was already bitten, and entrepreneurship was also
Great.
something I would say is an hereditary characteristic. You know, my dad is an
Hereditary.
entrepreneur, my grandfather was an entrepreneur, so
Great.
so probably rejecting everyone's advice, I stick to my plans, and though
Okay.
there have been a lot of failures, a lot of setbacks,
Setbacks in your life. Yeah.
but ultimately at the end of the day, when you look at the personal level satisfaction
Yeah.
and the balance sheet, so
It is much more better than
Yeah.
doing a job, right?
and moreover, we are the valuation that we have is like we are a $5 million company right now.
$5 million, guys. $5 million.
So
Yeah.
so yeah, I mean, so that's the best one could expect.
Best
I
one
mean,
gonna
yeah.
So, what are your suggestions for the budding entrepreneurs who just want to start their entrepreneur? Because in India, it's a social stigma to start their entrepreneurship journey because parents don't support. My parents itself don't supported my entrepreneurship journey, my blogging journey. So what are the suggestions for these budding
Yeah,
entrepreneurs?
see, don't give up is the only advice I
Is
would
the
like
only
to
advice, yeah.
give to all the budding entrepreneurs.
Right, right.
And remember, 3 things always pay. The first one is hard work, the second
work.
one is dedication, the third
Dedication.
one is perseverance. When you fail, it's not the end of
Your journey.
your
or-
journey, your life, or anything. Probably
You
that's-
learn from your
yeah,
mistakes. You learn from your
absolutely,
mistakes.
right.
Yeah.
So that is what I would like to tell all the budding entrepreneurs, and keep exploring, keep looking forward for opportunities, and don't be afraid to start, because once you will start, only then you will succeed.
Yeah. And some entrepreneurs in the budding state, they just give up. So,
Yeah.
so what do you want to say about them? Those who give up in the beginning. So.
See, probably more than 90% of the people give up
In the
when
beginning.
they have just started up
Started.
or are just about to taste success.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah.
not giving up means that you are struggling amongst the top 10% of the people, and the chances of success literally go up
Go up.
when you don't give up.
When you don't give up, right?
Right. I mean, failure is something that you would always experience. If you have not failed, you have not tried enough.
Okay.
That's what I would.
So,
yeah.
what are your next 5-year plans for your business? How you want to grow? Are you into launching some good products, or what are your new plans?
So we are getting more of into technology. We have been a business-oriented company, and
Right.
the shift is coming up from being
Great.
a business-oriented company to a technology-oriented company. We are building up some own in-house products. We are coming
Own
up.
in-house products.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah. So we are planning to revolutionize the performance marketing space, not just for the leads and sales, what we understand from performance marketing,
Great.
but we are building solutions for bloggers, for
bloggers, you are making some
yeah.
good product. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's great. That's great.
So we are trying to analyze that what are the primary sources on on the sources like Google AdSense,
Google
on
AdSense.
which the bloggers depend, and we are trying to curate a product around the thinking of a blogger and how a product can be fitted into his daily routine of blogging and help him earn a little
more money
yeah,
through AdSense. Okay.
and more would be covered on your blog as well. Yeah.
Sure. So, who are the top 5 bloggers you follow in India right now or around the world?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you already know you are the one.
Okay. Thanks.
Right.
Thanks. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
So apart from you, Harsh Agarwal, I keep on following.
He's a great
Yeah.
blogger. Shout me
Yeah.
out. Great blog.
Right.
Yeah.
And for SEO practices, I follow 2 blogs regularly. One is Moz.com. The second one is Matthew Woodward. He
Matthew
covers,
Woodward, he
covers a
yeah.
lot of case studies,
Case
and
studies
they
and
are
affiliate
amazing
marketing.
too.
Yeah,
And the
right.
third one I follow is into entrepreneurships. That's nextbigwhat.com.
Next big what? Yeah.
So these
yeah.
are the 5 blogs that I.
So you follow these
follow
blogs.
daily.
So how you learn something new? If you want to learn something new in your business, do you follow any entrepreneurship blogs? Do you follow them?
Yeah, so entrepreneurship, as in you always need a dose of inspiration. Every day.
Motivation we
Yeah.
always need because right.
And the Indian blogosphere has already a huge number of success stories, but
Right.
I try to look forward for innovations, for new stuff that's happening
stuff.
more of into the social space,
The
not
social
for
space.
profit space.
Right.
I mean, if people are doing so much for and even are not making money, so probably why not just look
Look
back into your
again.
own venture and try to do something
it.
that's much more meaningful to everyone around you rather than just making money.
Just making money.
Yeah.
Right. That's right. So what you would the last question. So what you would like to say to the audience who are just new into this business, affiliate marketing?
Yeah, so Indian blogosphere. So I'll like to address it on two parameters since your users are both from India
And
and,
from
yeah.
international countries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the Indian blogosphere for affiliate marketing is evolving at a very fast pace
very
as
fast
compared
pace,
to
yeah.
any nearby countries. So network
Networking,
because
yeah.
till the time you network, you talk to people, you understand,
You share your ideas. Yeah.
and try to be open. Don't have a mindset that you have a plan, you'll share it with someone and it would be copied, and you know
copied. Yeah.
that's a general mindset of newbies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
So
with the
try to
newbies,
be
yeah.
open, because someone who wants to do would do it anyhow. Keep on networking, keep on sharing, and for international people, the trend that is seen as affiliate marketing has been known as, in the international markets, most of them do paid marketing.
Paid
and,
marketing,
yeah.
affiliates. Yeah.
So try to explore tier 2 and tier 3 countries apart from just US, UK,
US and
and
UK.
the real money lies over there.
Overmer.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this interview with Siddhant Satija. He's the owner of Ad Uncle. So I hope you enjoy, and just want to give you a just overlook of this beautiful MIT campus, guys. I'm in love with this campus. So Siddhant has introduced me to this MIT Innovation Incubator, and it's awesome, guys. I love my work here. It's awesome. See the beauty, guys. I'm sure that you're going to love it. So it's awesome, guys. So thanks for watching this, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, take care.